Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I think you will be okay at your home. I am Reshma ma'am, your Montessori 3 English teacher. My dear students, as you know that there is a very critical situation in our country for the novel coronavirus. So, you have to take care of yourself and also your family. So, you should obey your parents and stay at home and continue your study. You have to follow properly the online classes for the better result of your exam. Okay, so today we shall discuss in the sounds of vowel the O and OO sound. Okay, let's follow the book. So my child, this is your English book and open your book. Look at the page number 12. Okay, here is the O sound. Okay, O sound, how it sounds when we use to write O. Okay, in any word. Okay, here there are some words we can read and try to understand. Okay, OLD, old, it sounds like O. Okay, it sounds like O. Okay, OLD, old. When we write any letter before O, then it sounds as like BOLD, bold. Okay, then COLD, cold. FOLD, fold. GOLD, gold. HOLD, hold. SOLD, sold. TOLD, told. Then BORN, born. CORN, corn. HORN, horn. LORN, lorn. MORN, mourn. TORN, torn. WORN, worn. DOT, dot. Okay, then DOLL, doll. DONG, dong. ZONG, gong. LONG, long. SONG, song. TONG, tongue. WRONG, wrong. Here you can see, my dear students, WRONG. W is silent but R sounds. Okay, WRONG, it sounds as wrong. W is silent. Okay, then STRONG, strong. Okay, here every letter sounds. STRONG, strong. Like you are very strong, my dear students. Then FOG, fog. HOST, host. MOST, most. POST, post. CORK, cork. FORK, fork. PORK, pork. STORK, stork. Okay, you can read and spell it and then try to understand. Okay, and in the below of the page you can see some crosswords. Okay, and here are the 1 2 3 4 numbers to write the words. You have to fill it and then write the words one by one. Okay, here 1 2 3 4. You have to write as the serially the numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Here you can write it. Okay, then in the next page we can see the O sound. O sound. We have discussed the O sound and then O sound. Okay, double O sound. When we use or when you write the O, it sounds like oo. Okay, in every word when we can use or when we write the O, it in every word it sounds as oo. Okay, oo sound. Okay, then we can read. Okay, GOOF, goof. HOOF, hoof. ROOF, roof. WOOF, oof. GOOD, good. Okay, here the 4 words are one type of rhyming words, and here these 3 words are one type of rhyming words. GOOD, good. HOOD, hood. WOOD, wood. Okay, and here are also some 4 words, 4 rhyming words, one type of rhyming words. COOK, cook. BOOK, book. HOOK, hook. LOOK, look. In every word, my dear students, when we read OO, it sounds as oo. Okay, then BOON, bone. COON, coon. GOON, goon. LOON, loon. MOON, moon. NOON, noon. POON, poon. SOON, soon. SPOON, spoon. BALLOON, balloon. STOOL, stool. SPOOL, spool. And then SCHOOL, school. Your favorite place, school. Okay, then BOOT, boot. COOT, coot. HOOT, hoot. LOOT, loot. ROOT, root. ROOST, roost. BOO, boo. COO, coo. MOO, moon. ROOD, rude. ZOO, zoo. BOOM, boom. DOOM, doom. LOOM, loom. ROOM, room. ZOOM, zoom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. G-R-O-O-M, groom. These are same words, okay? It sounds as same, okay? Then F-O-O-D, food. M-O-O-D, mood. C-O-O-P, coop. H-O-O-P, hoop. L-O-O-P, loop. P-O-O-N, pool. Then the last words, C-O-O-L, cool. F-O-O-L, fool. P-O-O-L, pool. T-O-O-L, tool. W-O-O-L, wool. O-O-Z-E, ooze. Z-O-O-S-E, goose. O-O-S-E, ooze. Okay, my dear students, you can see O-O-Z-E, ooze, and O-O-S-E, it sounds as same. Okay, N-O-O-S-E, nose. P-O-O-R, pour. Okay, so we can compare that when we use single O, it sounds as O. Okay, and when we use double O, it sounds as O. It difference from in different words. Okay, so my dear students, you have to read it carefully. Okay, and you should try to understand. Okay, then make spellings of your of these words in your copy. Okay, and here are some. Then comes practice times. Hoop, mood, spoon, fool. You have to write the 4 rhyming words each. Okay, in your book. In the hard copy, I have also written some words from the O sound and OO sound, and I have given some homeworks for you for the practice of your exam. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct vowels. Okay, you have to write the vowel. Okay, correct vowel and fill it. Okay, and then number 2, write 4 rhyming words each. You have to write 4 rhyming words. Okay, of these 5 words. So my dear students, try to complete and read carefully for your exam. Okay, and the next day we shall discuss about the next sound. Okay, till then, bye and take care.